Kejadian 39, Genesis 39. Adapun Yusuf telah dibawa Mesir dan Potifar, seorang Mesir pegawai istana Firaun, kepala pengawal raja, membeli dia dari tangan orang Ismail yang telah membawa dia ke situ. And Joseph was brought down to Egypt, and Potiphar, an officer of Pharaoh, captain of the guard, an Egyptian, bought him off the hands of the Ishmaelite, which had brought him down thither. Tetapi Tuhan menyertai Yusuf, sehingga ia menjadi seorang yang selalu berhasil dalam pekerjaannya. Maka tinggallah ia di rumah tuannya, orang Mesir itu. And the Lord was with Joseph, and he was a prosperous man, and he was in the house of this master, the Egyptian. Setelah dilihat oleh tuannya bahwa Yusuf disertai Tuhan dan bahwa Tuhan membuat berhasil segala sesuatu yang dikerjakannya, and his master saw that the Lord was with him, and that the Lord made all that he did to prosper in his hand. Yusuf mendapat kasih tuannya dan ia boleh melayani dia. Kepada Yusuf diberikannya kuasa atas rumahnya dan segala miliknya diserahkannya kepada kekuasaan Yusuf. And Joseph found grace in his sight, and he served him, and he made him overseer over his house, and all that he had he put into his hand. Sejak ia memberikan kuasa dalam rumahnya dan atas segala miliknya kepada Yusuf, Tuhan memberkati rumah orang Mesir itu karena Yusuf, sehingga berkat Tuhan ada atas segala miliknya, baik yang di rumah maupun yang di ladang. And it come to pass from the time that he had made him overseer and his house, and over all that he had, that the Lord blessed an Egyptian house for Joseph's sake, and the blessing of the Lord was upon all that he had, the house and it the field. Segala miliknya diserahkannya kepada kekuasaan Yusuf, dan dengan bantuan Yusuf, ia tidak usah lagi mengatur apapun selain dari makanannya sendiri. Adapun Yusuf itu manis sikapnya, elok parasnya, and he left all that he had in Joseph's hands, and he knew not how he had saved the bread which he had eaten. And Joseph was a goodly person and well favored. Selang beberapa waktu, istrinya tuannya memandang Yusuf dengan berahi, lalu katanya, "Marilah tidur dengan aku." And it come to pass after these things that his master's wife cast her eyes upon Joseph, and she said, "Lie with me." Tetapi menolak dan berkata kepada istri tuannya itu, "Dengan bantuanku, tuanku itu mengatur apa yang ada di rumah ini, dan ia telah menyerahkan segala miliknya kepada kekuasaanku." But he refused and said unto his master's wife, "Behold, my master would not what is with me in the house, and he had committed all that he had to my hand. Bahkan di rumah ini, ia tidak lebih besar kuasanya daripadaku, dan tiada yang tidak diserahkannya kepadaku selain daripada engkau, sebab engkau istrinya. Bagaimanakah mungkin aku melakukan kejahatan yang besar ini dan berbuat dosa terhadap Allah? There is none greater in the house than I, neither had he kept back from me, but thee, because thou art his wife. How I do this great weakness and sins against God. Walaupun dari hari ke hari perempuan itu membujuk Yusuf, Yusuf tidak mendengarkan bujukannya itu untuk tidur di sisinya dan bersetubuh dengan dia. And it come to pass as she speak to Joseph day by day, that he had not unto her to lie by her or to be with her. Pada suatu hari, masuklah Yusuf ke dalam rumah untuk melakukan pekerjaannya, sedang dari seisi rumah itu seorang pun tidak ada di rumah. And it come to pass about this time that Joseph went into the house to do his business, and there was none of the men of the house there written. Lalu perempuan itu memegang baju Yusuf sambil berkata, marilah tidur dengan aku. Tetapi Yusuf meninggalkan bajunya di tangan perempuan itu dan lari keluar. And she caught him by his garment, saying, lie with me. And he left his garment in her hand and fled and go him out. Ketika dilihat perempuan itu bahwa Yusuf meninggalkan baju dalam tangannya dan telah lari keluar, and it come to pass when she saw that he had left his garment in her hand and was fell forth, dipanggilnyalah seisi rumah itu, lalu katanya kepada mereka, lihat, dibawanya kemari seorang Ibrani supaya orang ini dapat mempermainkan kita. Orang ini mendekati aku untuk tidur aku, tapi aku berteriak-teriak dengan suara keras, that she called unto the men of her house and speak unto them, saying, see, he had broke in and fable unto us to mock us. He came unto me to lie with me, and I cried with a loud voice. Dan ketika didengarnya bahwa aku berteriak sekeras-kerasnya, ditanggalkannya bajunya padaku. To pass when he heard that I left up my voice and cried, that he left his garment with me and fled and got him out. Juga ditaruhnya baju Yusuf itu di sisinya sampai tuan rumah pulang. And she left out his garment by her until his lord come home. Perkataan itu jugalah yang diceritakan perempuan itu kepada Potifar. Katanya, hamba orang Ibrani yang kau bawa kemari itu datang kepadaku untuk mempermainkan aku. And she speak unto him according to this word, saying, the Hebrew servant which thou hast brought unto us, come in unto me to mock me. Tapi ketika aku berteriak sekeras-kerasnya, ditinggalkannya bajunya padaku, lalu ia lari keluar. And it come to pass as I left up my voice and cared that he left his garment with me and fled out. Baru saja didengar oleh tuannya perkataan yang diceritakan istrinya kepadanya, begitulah aku diperlakukan oleh hambamu itu, maka bangkitlah amarahnya. And it come to pass when his master heard the word of his wife, which he speak unto him, saying, after this manner did thy servant to me, that his word was kindled. Lalu Yusuf ditangkap tuannya dan dimasukkan ke dalam penjara, tempat tahanan-tahanan raja dikurung. Demikianlah Yusuf dipenjarakan di sana. And Joseph master took him and put him into the prison, a place where the king's were bound, and he was there in the prison. Tapi Tuhan menyertai Yusuf dan melimpahkan kasih setianya kepadanya dan membuat Yusuf kesayangan bagi kepala penjara itu. But the Lord was with Joseph and showed him mercy and gave him favor in the sight of the keeper of the prison. Sebab itu kepala penjara mempercayakan semua tahanan dalam penjara itu kepada Yusuf, dan segala pekerjaan yang harus dilakukan di situ, dialah yang mengurusnya. And the keeper of the prison commit to Joseph hand on the prisoner that were in the prison, and whatsoever they did there, he was the door of it. Dan kepala penjara tidak mencampuri segala yang dipercayakannya kepada Yusuf, karena Tuhan menyertai dia, dan apa yang dikerjakannya dibuat Tuhan berhasil. The keeper of the prison allowed not to anything that was under his hand, because the Lord was with him, and that which he did, the Lord made it to prosper.